2023.
Asunto sekä yhtiö Westendin tornit.
Yeah, so this take is A. It's here on Toppelundsvägen, Toppelundintie 36A. The last take is to be filmed in this presence. You're putting on all 8 out of 8 films here, so you can watch all of them. It was built in 1967 here. Turned 55 years old in the last year, 2022, and the General VS 1105 will be inspected in 2025 with samples. And some of them were only finished in 1969 here.
Yeah.
We'll check which ones they were. Because I'm not sure which ones were finished in 1969.
E, F and G.
E, F and G were finished in 1969.
Yeah.
And none of them was finished in 1968. But
Yeah.
Siellä 70 check set.
Inspected by QI maintained by Schindler. This being complex has 8 amazing ValmetSchlieren elevators from late 60s. And the elevators from Finland took only one ride because he has to save memory. 6th floor. Ground floor. That's